What's going on, guys? This is an accessory that I got for my Nintendo Switch 2. It's pretty unique and it's pretty cool looking. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing and I'm going to show you guys what it is. If you know Super Mario, you know that this is the question mark block where you hit and it gives you the mushroom, obviously. Right here, you press that and it unravels. Pretty cool, right? So what does this do? Well, let's do it right over here. That thing clicks right in there, by the way. It's not coming out at all. So yeah, your Nintendo Switch 2 cartridge or Nintendo Switch cartridge, you can throw it in there. This is the Switch 2 right here. They're the same size, by the way. So whether you have the Nintendo Switch 1 cartridge or the 2 cartridge, it works. And it's pretty stuck in there. There you go. It looks like you can lay some down right here too, perhaps. But wow, look at this. There's like multiple directions that you put it in. So you can fit like what, 3 more in here? So 1, 2, 3, yeah. And then on top over here, you put 1, 2, and another 3. Yeah, 3, 3, 3. So 9 across right here, and then tons of room all over here. Pretty cool stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this one in here. Let's see. I wonder if I can do any direction. It doesn't look like I can do any direction. I think this down arrow right here needs to be out there. And then everything else, you kind of snap it in here. I think that's how it works. This is my first time seeing it as well as you guys, so I just thought it's super cool to show you. Yeah, so this right here is a little tight, by the way, so be really careful. But I feel like that's really tight right there. Anyway, it has this little mechanism to release it. And when you fold it, this is what it looks like inside. Right there. Little display box for you. When you're ready, open it up. One of the coolest Nintendo Switch accessory I ever owned. Very cool.